Hey guys, happy Thursday. Coming to you today with your coach motivation. Today's quote is do or do not. There is no try. And that comes from my man Yoda. I think that's really applicable in all of our lives. How many times have you tried to do something and just didn't really succeed at it, or you did it and you did succeed at it? You didn't try to do it, you did it, right? So that's what you have to do in life. When it comes to fitness or in your relationship or if you're at your job, you can't try to get a promotion. You can't try to do better in your relationship. You can't try to lose weight. You have to do it. That's it. That's all you can do. So either you're going to do it and succeed, or you're going to do it, fail, do it, fail, do it another way, fail again, then do it and succeed. The key here is do not give up. So my challenge for you today, just do it. Be Nike. Go out there and go for it. Don't try to do anything. Just do it. So be sure to like this video if it applies to you. Share it with anybody who needs to hear it today. And be sure to stay encouraged. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.